This problem is about analyzing the standard deviation and mean. You will learn how to analyze the standard deviation and mean in this problem and use it to extrapolate it to the future and more data points. So it asks us why this insurance company has such a high standard deviation. And it is really large because the insurance company can either profit a little bit or it can have huge losses. It's going to have a really high variance. Because, for example, if they're insuring houses, most of the time, house isn't going to get destroyed and they're just going to make money. But in rare instances, the house is going to have a fire or something and they're going to have to pay a bunch of money. So they're making a little money or they're paying out a lot of money, and it's a really high variance. So for B, it asks us what is the expected mean and standard deviation for two policies. For the mean, you just multiply the mean of 150 by 2, and you get 300 is the expected mean. For standard deviation, you take the square root of the standard deviation squared and times it by the number of instances you want to do. So you get the square root of 772 million, and that equals around 8,485. So the mean will be 300 and standard deviation of 8485.28. So they're expected to get a little double once they get another policy, but it's a little more riskier. Alright, and C asks us what if they had 10,000 policies? Again, you do the same exact thing as in B. 10,000 times 150, they're expected to get 1.5 million. And the standard deviation is the square root of 360 billion. And their expected standard deviation is 600,000. So again, they're expected to make a lot of money, but it's huge variance from what they get. Now, will this company be profitable? I think that they will be profitable because they're expected to be profitable. But the more policies they sell, the better chance they have of being profitable, and the less riskier it will be. It's really risky if they're only selling a few, but if they're selling thousands, then they have a much higher chance of being profitable. Alright, so now that you've seen this video, you should know how to analyze the standard deviation and mean, and use it to extrapolate it to the future and more data points.